We are the organized kids.
We teach you how to organize.
And we have fun. Hi, I'm Adleigh. I'm going to show you how to pack I am going to pack books. So big books go in first so that the tiny books have more room. Like these. I might be silent because I'm trying to figure out all of the tall from short books. If you're listening, maybe just be a little quiet so that you can think which one should go in place. Now, the tiny books. See if there's any more big ones before you go to the tiny ones. Now time for the tiny ones, or medium size. As you're putting the books away, decide if you want to keep it. Any books that you don't like, put it in another pile so that the kids that you know want to try to read it, just donate it to them. If you have a friend that you want to give it to, then give it to them. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Tuesday.